Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So I have posted a couple of jobs in my earlier video. Just feel free to go ahead and watch those clips. And now I'm going to post another few more jobs. Now I'm going to post few more jobs. Just keep an eye and watch it. And if any job is better for you, just feel free to apply them. And you can also share these jobs with the job seekers who are looking for the job. And let's jump into our first job. The first job is Synapse Design, a Quest global company, is hiring for below positions. It is hiring for physical design engineer, DFT 2 plus years, STA or synthesis 2 plus years, analog circuit design 2 plus years. And the job location is in Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Ahmedabad. So Synapse company is looking for four roles with minimum 2 years of experience, and these people forget to mention, elaborate the skills that required for them. But no worries, probably since this is a semiconductor company, most of the skills they would be needing is C or C++ programming language, Python, and Linux, if I'm not wrong. But if any Synapse employee is watching this video, please feel free to share the required skills for this job. And if you want to apply for this role, you need to send your updated resume to pkumari@synapse-da.com, or else you can directly reach to the HR Pratibha Kumari through LinkedIn. So coming to the salary recommendations for physical design engineer, since experience is 2 to 15 years and this is a embedded systems company, you can demand salary from minimum 7 lakh to 45 lakhs maximum for 15 years of experience. So let's say if someone is having 5 years of experience, demand at least 16 lakhs. So you can you can check how can you demand more salaries depending upon the experience that you have and the skills that you have and how confident you are in the interview process. And next, coming to the DFT engineer. So this job is for at least 2 plus years of experience, and maximum they did not mention. So it might be somewhere around like 15 as it goes with the physical design. So for 2 years, demand 7 lakh package. If you have 4 years of experience, there's demand more than 13 lakh package. And STA synthesis 2 plus years of experience needed for this role. And for this job, you need to demand salary like minimum 7 lakhs. And let's say if you have 6 years of experience, demand 18 lakhs package for this role. And the next job is analog circuit design, 2 plus years of experience. So let's say if you have 3 years of experience, demand salary like 9 plus. And let's say if you have 10 years of experience, then please feel free to demand salary like more than 25 LPA for 10 years of experience. So these are my salary recommendations for this job, guys. Let's jump into another job. And the next job is a company called Smart Folks is hiring for recruiter, for an experienced recruiter. So the experience that they are looking is 1 to 5 years with excellent communication skills, and the location would be in Hyderabad. Will be remote for 2 months, and then the people need to work from office. And if you want to apply for this job, just share your updated resume with Sweta at smartfolksinc.com. And my salary recommendation for this role is for 1 year of experience, demand at least 5 lakh. And if you have 5 years of experience, demand up to 14 lakh, since this is into the recruitment. But I know a few of the companies are paying very well, but this is the range that I wanted to give for this job. And if you have if you are enough confident to crack more jobs, just you can demand more salary as well. But feel free to watch my future videos as well. I would be posting multiple jobs in almost all the fields in the IT. Let's jump into the next job. The next company is Hike Branding is hiring for couple of roles. It's a work from home opportunities or work from anywhere. Looks like it's an hybrid culture. So the first job they are hiring is for WordPress developer, 1 to 3 years of experience. PHP developer, 1 to 3 years of experience. React JS, 1 to 2 years, and business development executive, fresher to 0.6 months. So my salary recommendations for these roles would be for WordPress developer and PHP developer. These two are very simultaneous, but PHP needs to be write code, and WordPress developer people just add the extension like plugins WordPress. So it would be very similar to Chrome extensions that we add for for making our work simpler. And for these two roles, I would recommend salaries like for 1 year of experience, just ask 5 lakh, and for 3 years of experience, you can demand up to 15 lakh. Again, it's depend upon you guys. It depends upon you, your skill set. I have given the salary recommendation based upon multiple factors. And then let's jump into the another role, React JS. This is a programming role, similar to PHP developer, I would say. For 1 to 2 years of experience, I recommend you to demand salary from 6 to 8 lakhs. This would be my standard salary recommendation for this role. And then for next job, business development executive. For business development executive, I'm really not sure how exactly the salary works for business development executive people, but keeping IT standards in my mind, I am giving the standard recommendation of salary from 4.5 to 6 lakh. But if any business development executive is watching this video, just feel free to share the salary recommendation that you have been, so that it would be helpful for the job seekers. And if you want to apply for this role, just shoot your updated CV at hr@hikebranding.com. Let's jump into another job, guys. The next job is a company called Pattonbots is hiring for multiple positions. They have 8 roles. One is PHP fresher or intern, WordPress developer, Angular, Laravel, HR intern, BD fresher or intern, online bidder, and Node.js, 1 to 2 years of experience. And the location is in Mohali. Stipend, salary stipend for interns, and maybe for developers they would be paying good salary. And this is permanent work from office only role. So these people, any fresher or intern or experience, so almost for every individual, these people have the job. So let me jump on with salary recommendations. For all the interns mentioned here, my salary recommendation would be minimum 10,000 to 25,000 depending upon your skills and the company standards. You can join for 10K to 25K, but it would be priceless experience. I would say most valuable experience you'll get before you start your career. Let's jump into the developers role. So for developers role, WordPress developer 0 to 6 months to 1 year, Angular 1 to 2, and Laravel developer 0.6 months to 1 year. So for these three roles, for 0.6 months of the experience, I recommend you people ask 5 LPA. For the people who have 1 plus years of experience, demand 6 LPA for this role. And for online bidder, I'm really not sure how much the salary gonna be. But I would say at least 4.2 would be needed for this role. Coming to Node.js, for 1 to 2 years of experience, I would say 6 to 8 lakhs would be a great package for this role, keeping Mohali as a location in my mind. And if you want to apply for this role, share your updated CV to hr@spotonbots.com. And also you can ask for job description for multiple roles. So that's a good thing. Yeah. And the next job is a company called Softwiz Infotech is hiring for multiple roles. One is .NET and Business Development Executive. Both need 1 to 3 years of experience. And yeah, my salary recommendation for this role would be for .NET developer. Demand 6 to 12 lakh salary for the experience and the skill set you have. And for business development executive, 1 to 3 years experience, 4.5 to 8 would be a great number. But if any BDE executive is watching this video, please do share the salary recommendation. And salary hike, no bar for deserving candidates. Yeah, you can demand as much as you can, but again, it falls under the company category. If you need few more details, you can directly give a call to 7009 428487. And one more thing, only candidates from the Tri-City or nearby locations would be considered. So I don't know where exactly is. I believe this is either Noida, Delhi, or Chandigarh. I'm really not sure. Uh, but if someone is watching, please let us know what would be this Tri-City or nearby location. And if you want to apply for this role, just share your updated CV with HR at soft within wizinfotech.com directly, or else you can also try reaching Bhavika Kashyap for more information on the LinkedIn. Let's jump into another role. A company called Bright Roots. I have posted multiple jobs related to the Bright Roots, but now I'm sharing another job. So these people are hiring for 4 roles, depending upon the 1 to 2 years of experience, and the location is in Mohali. So coming to the salary recommendations, all these 4 roles are like very same, very similar, but the programming, all these 4 roles need the programming experience or somehow programming knowledge. So salary would be also very similar. So my salary recommendation from fresher to 0 to 2 years of experience would be 6 lakh for fresher, and maximum after I believe they would pay 9 for 2 years of experience, guys. So my salary recommendation for this role is 6 to 9 LPA, depending upon your skills, your confidence level, and the performance of your interview. And the location is in Mohali. And if you have any more questions, you can directly contact to 76964 07336, or else you can also submit your updated resume with hr@brightroots.net. You'll get a response very soon, if I'm not wrong. And let's jump into another role, guys. Now a company called State Street is hiring for uh, we are looking for candidates with private equity experience in State Street for Hyderabad location. The job levels are associate, senior associates, managers. Shift timings would be 2 to 11 p.m. or 3 to 12 p.m. So these people did not mention what kind of roles they have, but yeah, they did not also mention clear JD on this part. You can feel free to reach this guy Deepak Jain Surana on LinkedIn for more details. But my salary recommendation for this role is for associate. Uh, like if you have 2 years of experience, demand at least 8 LPA. For senior associates, if you have 4 or 5 years of experience, demand at least 12. For managers, demand more than 24, considering State Street previous salary analysis. And also, you can give a call directly to this Deepak Jain for more details at 955 039 200. And if you want to apply for this job, just feel free to share your updated resume with dsurana@statestreet.com. I'll see if there is another job. No, so we have covered almost all the jobs, guys. So just go with my previous videos and future videos for more jobs, and feel free to apply for these jobs. I hope you'll get a good job very soon. And in the meanwhile, keep watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. And also, if you found my videos are interesting and informationful, just feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.